Hello friends, welcome to 5th Bricks Android tutorial. Till last tutorial we had learned how to configure Eclipse and we had created Android virtual device called emulator. So these two things are ready for us and in this tutorial we will create our first project. So to create a project we need to go to the Eclipse. Inside Eclipse, you will find a few sections like this is the first section called Project Explorer. Whatever project you will create will be visible here. All the files, all the resources will be visible and accessible through this section. This is second section which is used for editor. You will open all your text file in this section and you can edit, save and compile it. This is the section where you will have problems java declare. One more button should be there which is not visible, but when we will run the code it will come here. And this is a outline which is useless for us, so we may close it. And if you like it to move this window, you can move it here. So it will be like 1 2 and 3 windows. So let's go to next step and create our first project. To create first project, go to Project Explorer, right click on this area. You will have a menu list. Go to New and Android Application Project. Click on this link. It will ask for a name for your new project. So give it a name: FIRST PROJECT, first project. In second section it will say project name. First it was application name, so if you want it to be different you can give it a new name. And in third section it's saying package name. Inside package name it will by default create a com.example.first project. Actually it's a website address type of thing which is in reverse order. So if you have any website you can give it exactly same name, so we will give it to a bricks world. So now it's com.bricksworld.first project. There are few more things are there like minimum API level, maximum API level, target SDK. So all these things are there, but just leave it as per default setting for first project and go to next section. Again, just leave it this page also. You will go to third page, again leave it as it is, and go to the last. Again you need to select which type of activity you want to create. Actually the word activity is used to represent the java file which is running. So go to next. It will ask for a name for java file and name for xml file which is a layout thing. So just leave it as it is and click on finish button. It will create a project for you in Project Explorer, and it will try to compile it using Java SDK, Android SDK. Okay, so this is your first project. If you will open it, you will find all the components of your projects. Okay, so this is your first project. This right click on first your project, go to run as and click on Android application. So it will try to run your project. I think one more window should be there, so that window is not visible, so we need to bring that window from somewhere. Progress. Okay, so here you can see this is your first project running on Android, and this is hello world. Nothing is written on this project, so this is just hello world. uh, Close this project, and if you want you can run it again. First project, right click, run as Android application and go to this. So as you can see here it's trying to run. and once it's ready, it's running hello world. So thank you for watching this tutorial. In next tutorial, we will create some. We will make some changes in our first project, and we will create a project according to our requirement. Thank you.